Hello, this is Joan of Art and I'm at the beautiful island of Guimaras, and we've reached this point so far at Guisi, and we're after the lighthouse. So my friends have already trekked up there, and there's a beach down here, and let's find out what else is in store here in Guimaras. So there are lots of souvenir items for sale here at the beach area, and let's find the way to the lighthouse. Dina Lighthouse! So we arrived at Hordan Port at around 12 noon and had lunch along the way at Jo's Chicken Inato. I've never had it in a long time because it closed shop back in Bacolod. But now we're down here and it's a dusty road lined with many souvenir items. So let's pass that by when we go back. And for now, I'm enjoying the short trek down here.
Afternoon, ma'am. Free
Hello.
taste, ma'am. Mango
Wow,
piyaya,
free
ma'am.
taste. Wait. So what do we have here? It's a free taste.
Yes, ma'am.
Ano ni siya? What
Mango
is this?
piyaya.
Mango piaya. So free taste.
3 for
Let's
100
try.
lang siya, ma'am.
3 for 100. Let's see kung So they have all products made from mangoes, and it's the pride of Guimaras because this is supposed to be the place to grow the world's sweetest mangoes. But for now, I want to taste fresh mangoes. May ako mo fresh mangoes.
Meron, ma'am. Yan.
Oo, amo ni siya. Hindi pa luto.
Oo, ma'am.
So this one, anong tawag sini? Hagay, hilaw, bagnas?
Kailan na siya, ma'am?
Hagay. Ang hagay,
Walang chemicals.
hagay is go hagay is proceeding towards being ripe. It's not yet ripe, so it's semi-ripe. So
Lagot
it's
ka
called
mamaya.
hagay. Thank you. So we have another free taste. What is this, sir?
Mango Serafina with calamansi
Mango Serafina with calamansi.
and 100% made from Guimaras.
Guimaras mangoes. Alright. After we come back,
Yeah, sure.
we'll buy a lot of this.
Yeah,
Thank
sure.
you. They're so
Yes,
very
thank you.
friendly.
You're welcome,
Do
ma'am.
visit Guimaras.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon.
I'll buy some of these when I come back from the lighthouse.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's not a lonely trek after all. Everybody's friendly here. Welcome to Guisi Lighthouse. Lakata, lakata. Let's go, lakata. Alright, so this warm, overcast summer day, it's not a lonely trek after all towards the lighthouse. In the meantime, enjoy the view of the beach. It's an uphill trek, but it's not that very tiring. It's not very challenging. It's just that the road is cracked. And it's just warm. I can see the lighthouse now. So we can see now the old lighthouse. That's the old metal structure up ahead. The white structure is the new lighthouse. If it's too bright, you couldn't even see it. And all around it are ruinous structure of Guisi Lighthouse. Nothing much. Some people are not very impressed, but we are happy to have reached this place. And let's see. It says the historical landmark of Guisi Lighthouse. I don't know why this is called Guisi, because Guisi means torn or a tear. That's what Guisi means in Ilonggo. I'm inside one of the ruinous structures here at Guisi Lighthouse. And it feels kind of strange that there's some sort of an alien-looking spaceship that just landed. Well, it's actually the new lighthouse with satellite and communication paraphernalia. It doesn't, to me, it doesn't look right blending in this structure. It looks very alien-like. Hmm, okay. It's a beautiful ruinous house. I don't know if this is really a house, but yes, it's grand, it's impressive, and most people come here to find Instagrammable spots. While I am here to, what was that? Look for blogging content for my Ilonggo tutorial and sometimes travel blog and sometimes art blog. That's why it's called Joan of Art. So this is a nice place to hunt for Instagrammable spots. It's all right. Cheers. It's beautiful. It doesn't feel creepy at all. Very nice. And because I'm an artist, I can see focals that are great for painting. One thing about this place is you really have to have great timing when taking photos as well as videos because there are lots of photo bombers. It will only look great in the video or photos if you know how to edit your videos and photos. With exception to that structure, really looks weird up there. And I rarely see this in the Instagram and Facebook posts because it looks kind of off.
So there she goes. She already have her pictorial dress. Yes.
The challenge is how not to be a photo bomber when you're posing for photos like this one. So I am the photo bomber. Sometimes they are the photo bomber and lots more photo bombers. So we're really here to take photos of photo bombers. It's really a challenge. So more and more photo bombers. It's not really a place for peace and quiet, but it's fun to take photos with the group. It would be creepy when you're here all alone and trying to take photos. That's a photo bomber. That's another photo bomber. So where can I find a nice focal here where there's no photo bomber at all? Like there's there's somebody always lining up for a nice photo of that rotten, decaying lighthouse.
Mommy, oh?
So peace and quiet here. So frenzy for perfect photos. So for that Instagrammable shot, the trick is to set your camera in one place, set it on timer, or maybe you can wave your hand and in a few seconds just strike a pose like this. This lighthouse looks so very old. I think it was constructed back in the 17th or 18th or 19th century. It's now full of vandalism. It's really crumbling. It's made of metal and it's not safe to climb up there. They've barricaded the staircase, the winding staircase, so that you cannot climb up for safety reasons. But it's a nice place here. And otherwise it's peaceful, sans the photo bombers. You'll never know the Spaniards constructed this office, a lighthouse office, but it's pretty grand. So this lighthouse office houses 3 lighthouses. The original structure is right there. It's fire powered or coal powered, and then the light was taken off and transferred to this second lighthouse. So now it's over there and it's electricity powered now. And then the third lighthouse, of course, is this new structure that looks like a spaceship. It's now solar powered in this ruinous structure. Very charming. This is Joan of Arc from the iconic lighthouse of Guisi here in Guimaras. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And of course, down here from the lighthouse is a very, very nice beach. So there are my friends now taking photos. I actually like this better than the lighthouse thingy. So it's very nice. Time to time to swim.